He thought the Qur'an wasn't for better people, for the ones who never missed a prayer, for the ones whose hands were always clean, for the ones whose faith never cracked. He believed he was too broken to be invited inside. His mistakes felt like walls. His doubts felt like disqualifications. He thought, the Qur'an is a book for the righteous, and I am not that. So he stayed at a distance, admiring it but never opening it, believing it was for a version of himself he could not reach. Then a single line found him. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس. The month of Ramadan, in which was revealed the Qur'an, a guidance for mankind. Pause. Let the words breathe. Hudan li nas. Guidance for mankind. Not guidance for the perfect, not guidance for the scholars, not guidance for the sinless. For mankind, for the human, for the one who needs guidance. The Qur'an wasn't sent to congratulate the flawless. It was sent to guide the lost, to heal the broken, to forgive the sinner, to answer the one with questions. It wasn't a trophy for the spiritual elite. It was a manual for the human being, for the one who forgets, for the one who falls, for the one who feels unworthy. You don't open the Qur'an because you're perfect. You open it because you're not. You don't read it because you have it all together. You read it because you're falling apart. The Qur'an wasn't sent for the perfect. It was sent for you. Like if this reminder reached you. Share with someone who needs to hear this today. Subscribe for content that opens hearts to the Qur'an. Comment Alhamdulillah for the guidance that includes us all. Start where you are. Open it with what you have. You are who it was sent for.